Welcome to the lab at Nanoscience Instruments. I'm Dr. Michael Stoller, an application scientist, and this is the Phenom XL G3 desktop scanning electron microscope from Thermo Fisher Scientific. It features the largest sample stage of any desktop SEM with an ultra-fast loading mechanism that maximizes analysis throughput. The cerium hexaboride electron source is more durable and lasts 30 times longer than traditional tungsten filaments. It also provides sharper and clear images of samples under high vacuum. The instrument's magnification range is up to 200,000x and has a resolution of less than 9 nanometers, thanks to the cerium hexaboride source. The Phenom XL automation features streamline repetitive tasks, reducing user error and significantly improving efficiency. The Phenom XL SEM has the largest sample stage of any desktop SEM. The 100 by 100 millimeter stage supports up to 36 half-inch SEM sample stubs, enabling efficient and versatile sample handling. Loading a sample is simple. The user can use tweezers to place a sample stub onto the stage. Working distance can be adjusted up to 40 millimeters using the thumb wheel on the front of the stage. All the integrated detectors have been optimized for a single working distance, so the working distance won't need to be adjusted during the analysis. In less than a minute, the Phenom XL is ready to start taking images. After the sample is loaded, the software is used to close the door and the imaging process begins. The integrated navigation camera shows an optical image of the sample stage, and this is used to navigate to the target area. The controls are easy, clicking to move and scrolling to zoom. Once the user has identified the location they want to image, they can click on the Move to SEM button in the software. This starts the pump down procedure. Once the pump down process is complete, the imaging is ready to begin. The Phenom XL takes under a minute to generate the conditions needed to start image acquisition. When the sample is under the electron beam and it is seen on the live view, the user can start adjusting the settings for image acquisition. On the left are auto contrast brightness and autofocus buttons that optimize the image. The image is captured and saved to the computer by clicking the camera icon. The navigation camera window is accessed by clicking on the arrow on the right side of the screen. The user can select a new sample or location in this window and can start imaging at this location. The lower bar displays magnification, voltage, intensity, and the detector used for imaging. Clicking on these values gives options to change to preset values. The drop-down menu at the top of the screen has additional controls for imaging parameters. There is also an advanced menu that is password protected, where even more options are available. The system can be further customized in the settings page. The EDS feature gives information about the chemical composition of the sample for elemental analysis. The EDS button opens EDS mode, and clicking on the sample starts EDS analysis. The spectra acquisitions are displayed on the bottom of the screen, and the chemical compositions are displayed in the side panel. When the analysis is complete, the user can use the optical image that they acquired before to quickly navigate to a different position. Additional information on the sample can be obtained using other software packages. ChemiSEM and ChemiPhase are additional software features that utilize EDS analysis. With ChemiSEM, both the sample morphology and elemental distribution are overlaid on live SEM images in real time. This helps with identifying areas of interest, detecting contaminants, and understanding elemental makeups. With ChemiPhase, areas with similar elemental compositions can be grouped to identify distinct phases in a sample. ParticleX establishes efficient workflows for large-scale SEM data collection with different packages: chemical cleanliness, additive manufacturing, steel, gunshot residue, and battery. ParticleX is also able to generate customized reports with histograms, diagrams, pass-fail metrics, and summary tables to meet different industry standards. There are other ways to customize the Phenom experience. Software packages include tools such as image stitching, 3D roughness reconstruction, particle and pore analysis, and fiber analysis. Custom scripting can also be used to automate repetitive tasks like particle detection and multiple image acquisitions. The tensile testing stage lets the user examine material properties in the SEM under examining forces of up to 1 kilonewton, with the software plotting the force versus displacement curves. Other stages for handling different samples include the resin mount and metallurgical stage inserts when using multiple polished samples, and the filter stage inserts for delicate filter and membrane systems. The eucentric stage allows for precise control over height, tilt, and rotation. Vacuum transfer inserts prevent exposure to air when loading samples from a glove box to the SEM. Thanks for joining this overview of the Phenom XL SEM. And if you have additional questions or want to have a look at your sample with the XL, please contact us at nanoscience.com.